What's up, party people? So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to import your contact lists from either your previous CRM, or if you have a huge email or call list that you want to come in, you just import it as a CSV file, and you come right here, you just click import, upload a file. Right here I have 200 sample contacts. You click next. This is the preview information. This is how their first name will show, where their last name will show, their email, phone number, and if they were tagged with anything, they can absolutely have tags like from your previous CRM, or you can tag them in here as well. Whenever you click advanced, make sure that you find existing contacts by email. That's usually the best one. You can actually have it filtered by two preferences. This is so that you have no duplicate contacts whatsoever. You can actually go ahead and add tags to all of these. So if you wanted to, you could say these are all new, or you could actually put a date, or you could put that you know, a call list, or you can actually tag it with a particular employee's name so that they can call them. However you need to identify these people, you can absolutely do that. You can actually also come in here and you can actually put all of these contacts into a workflow or campaign. I don't actually have any workflow or campaigns on this demo account, but if you did, you can actually put them into a workflow or campaign. If you don't know what that means, watch our video on automations and you'll know exactly what a workflow and or campaign is. After that, you just want to click that you confirm that all contacts have consented to hear from you, and then after that you just click submit, and then your file will be being processed. While that's happening, it usually takes just a couple minutes. This depends on how big of a file it is. There is no limit on how big the file is. You can actually, as you can see, they're already in here. You can actually do a couple other things as well. So there's some bulk actions. You can actually revert. You can see that I reverted these a couple times making these videos. So you can click revert right here if there's an error log, or you can also show the imported. You can restore. If you ever went through and deleted a bunch of things, which I just did so that you can see this, you'll see that you can actually restore all of these back to your contact list. You can select tasks in here, and you can manage your smart list in here as well. This is your smart list, by the way. Cool, so that is how you import, and you can also export your CSV file for contacts the same exact way. So if there's anything else you need, please just let us know by messaging us, calling us. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.